Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Diba nakaraan hindi natin natuloy yung latitude at longitude. So we're gonna learn that. Longitude is a very long line that can have the earth. And the latitude can't have the moon in education, but this is a hard. So dyan yung longitude. So dyan lang. Pag wala kang natutunan, mag-like, subscribe, comment, share, and watch the video again. So that is just longitude is a very long line, and the latitude is can't have the moon. Parang ganito, parang kunyari bunto. Yun, parang gano'n. So, ito ay lagi lang gaganyan. Like, subscribe, comment, share, so we can hit 10 million subscribers or 5 million subscribers. Kasi sa isang video ko, 18 views. Ilang views ba kayo sa mga channel nyo? Write in the comments so I know. So, this is a longitude that can have the earth. And latitude can have the moon. So, matatapos na tong video na to kasi 2:22 and 3 minutes lang to eh. So, ganyan lang tayo. Ayan na, matatapos na. Like, subscribe, comment, share so we can hit 10 million subscribers again. No losing subscribers dapat lagi nyo pinapanood yung mga channel and so 2:52 minutes na lang matatapos na to. So bye.